Don't go for stories. Don't go for the narrative. Go for value. Absolutely, positively have exposure to commodities. Absolutely, positively have exposure to precious metals. I run into investors that have 100% of their portfolio in gold, which is insane.
Investing in precious metals offers long-term benefits as the demand for gold, silver, platinum, and palladium continues to increase in the renewable energy sector. It goes without saying that precious metals hold an essential place in a savvy investor's portfolio. Precious metals, specifically gold, are popular as a portfolio diversifier and hedge against inflation. However, gold is not the only one available to investors. Silver, platinum, and palladium are all precious metals that you can add to your portfolio and each have their own benefits. In today's video, we will tell you what Rick Rule has to say on owning gold and silver and his view on the recession. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to our channel and press that bell icon to never miss an update. If we have a synchronized global recession or a synchronized global depression, it will not be good for any asset class, including commodities. It's very evident for a wide range of commodities, uranium, oil and gas, copper, that if the world continues on its current economic trajectory, there will be widespread shortages 5 years from now. There will be supply-induced shortages. In 1975, we had the same situation. People began to worry about inflation. The Fed raised the interest rate. The price of gold fell by half. The stock market crashed. The economy collapsed. The Fed lost its temper, reversed its position, and sure enough, the price of gold doubled. Although people see an overall inflation figure of 8.5%, they haven't lived with inflation for 40 years. There will come a time when people will see their savings and the purchasing power of their savings decimated. There will come a time when people will see a 5% pay increase as a 4.5% pay cut. Investors must have cash. Even though the money in the bank is costing us 8.5% of our purchasing power, this negative interest we're experiencing is an option premium to take advantage of volatility, and volatility we're going to have a lot. So the first thing is we have to have cash. And if we have to go for value, then we have to go with precious metals. The overall market of precious metals and precious metal securities relative to other savings and investment assets in the United States is 0.5%. Most investors can't even spell gold. In a circumstance where inflation is eating away their economies at an ever-increasing rate. Gold is distinguished from other metals by its tensile strength, its malleability, and its ability to conduct heat and electricity. It has some industrial applications in dentistry and electronics, but it's best known for its use as a base for jewelry and as currency. The market determines the value of gold 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Unlike other stocks and bonds, gold is less affected by the laws of supply and demand. There's always a demand for gold, and in times of financial uncertainty, the price of gold rises. The price of silver, unlike gold, fluctuates between its perceived role as a store of value and its role as an industrial metal. As a result, price fluctuations in the silver market are more volatile than in the gold market. As a result, while silver trades at roughly the same price as gold, the metal's industrial supply/demand equation has an equally strong influence on its price. Although gold has proven to be the best precious metal investment, your portfolio can also benefit from other precious metals. The key to success with them is understanding their goals before you dive in. Investing in precious metals is an effective way to build wealth, but be sure to do your due diligence. That's all for today. Let us know your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to like this video before leaving. Thanks for watching.